Hey everyone, this is Sebastian from 8base. Today what we're going to look at is how you can essentially set state values using functions. So we're going to be looking at how you create custom state entries and then the way you can manage them in scripts and functions. So here I am in an app builder project, and the first thing I'm going to do is here in the state pane go and create a new custom state variable, state entry. And this is going to be called greeting. Cool. And we're going to make it a string, and I'm just going to set that value to hello. Now we have that as now a global state variable, right? And so for example, if we wanted to, we could access the value. So I'm going to just copy it from the clipboard there, and then let's just go get some text, put that text here on the screen, give it a little bit of spacing, and then the properties, say it's a heading, and in the heading, expression, and the greeting value. Cool, we have that value there. So now we created one and we read it, but let's say that we wanted to actually have a function that changes that value, right? And there's a lot of different reasons we could do that. You could potentially be wanting to do some type of lookout where we translate it or whatever. But what we're going to do is write a quick function that essentially updates the global state variable. So what you're able to do is, since that is now in state and this function will have scope to it, we are going to look at greeting, which has a set value function on it. And in that, we can now set a different message. So we're going to call this function greet in Spanish. And this is now going to be hola. Cool. So we are going to save that function. Now, of course, we could be passing arguments into it or whatever we need to do. So let's make sure that we got that right. Greeting, set value, cool. And so let's say we wanted to run that function now. Let's just grab a button, drop our button here, call it translate, and then on the click event, we will run our function, which is greet in Spanish. Cool. So now if I preview my app, translate, we got hola. So I hope that this video helped you understand just some of the functions that you have available, or the methods that you have available to managing state programmatically. If you have any questions, please ask them in the description, and look forward to seeing you in future videos.